Hello, friends. Welcome to another fun-filled Friday with Bright Lights Theater. First on our program is a dramatic reenactment of the comedic tale of the chicken and her books. A chicken walks into the library and orders 3 books. Book! 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 The librarian is surprised because she's never seen a chicken asking for books in the library before. But she decides it's the library's job to serve every customer. So she goes into the stacks and selects 3 books that would be of interest to chickens. The chicken leaves the library carrying the books under her wing. The next day, the chicken returns the books and orders 3 more. Book! 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 The librarian is puzzled, but goes back to the stacks and selects 3 more books a chicken might like. The chicken leaves the library carrying the books under her wing. The next day, the chicken returns the books and orders yet another 3. Book! 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 This time, the librarian gets so curious that she selects 3 books, gives them to the chicken, and then quietly follows the chicken as she leaves the library with the books. The chicken walks all the way down the street, all the way out to the edge of town, and all the way to the swamp. There, the chicken presents each book to a frog, but the frog looks at each one and says, "Read it. Read it, read it." That was excellent. Thank you, actors. Now you too can create your own fun puppet theater at home. There's 3 things you'll need. First, you'll need a story. You can make one up or use your favorite stories. Some of my favorite stories are Elephant and Piggy and this Jesus Storybook Bible. Or you can keep it snappy and just tell some jokes. Second, you'll need characters. They can come from your family or you can make your own out of things like paper plates.
Paka.
Or bags.
Hello.
Or cardboard tubes.
Why, howdy.
Or pictures you've drawn.
Hello.
Or stuffed animals.
Hi.
You can even make a sock puppet.
Unless you get cold feet.
Third, you'll need a stage. You can put on a show in a theater like this one. Or you can do a show here.
What does a snail riding on a turtle's back say? Whee!
Or here.
Why do elephants paint their toenails red? So they can hide in cherry trees.
Are you sure that's right?
Have you ever seen an elephant in a cherry tree?
No.
It's working.
Or even here. What's brown and sticky? A stick. Don't turn on the water. The important thing is to make it your own. Have a fabulous, fun-filled Friday. Now, where's that chicken?